In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io to find emails in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're in sales, marketing, or any role that involves outreach, being able to find and connect with the right people can be a game changer. Apollo.io is a powerful tool that simplifies this process. So, let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser. This is where everything begins, as it allows us to navigate the internet and access online tools like Apollo. If you're already at your computer, make sure your internet connection is solid to ensure a smooth experience throughout the process. Next up, you'll want to search for Apollo.io in your browser. Simply type Apollo.io into the search bar and hit enter. Alternatively, if you know the URL, you can just type that in directly. This will take you to their homepage where you can either sign up or log in if you already have an account. For existing users, proceed by logging in. You can do this via your email or through a single sign-on option if that's available for your organization. Logging in is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any hiccups. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the People section. You'll usually find this option in the dashboard or main navigation menu. This is the section where you'll do the bulk of your contact searches and filtering to uncover those crucial email addresses. Now, it's time to make use of the search filters available in this section. Apollo.io offers a host of filters designed to help you narrow down your target audience. You can search based on job title, company, industry, location, among other criteria. This filtering capability is highly beneficial if you want to target a specific group of people who fit your ideal customer or contact profile. After applying the necessary filters, you'll be able to locate the specific person or people you're interested in contacting. Scanning through the results, find the individual whose contact details you need. Once you spot the right person, click the Access Email button next to their name. This is the step where Apollo does some of its magic. The platform will get to work verifying the email address, ensuring it's valid and active. This verification step is crucial because it increases the chances that your emails will be successfully delivered. After the email is verified, Apollo gives you two options. You can either copy the email address to use it outside the platform, or if you prefer, you can send an email directly from within Apollo. This can be a time saver, allowing you to quickly reach out without switching between platforms. And there you have it, a quick guide on finding emails using Apollo.io. With practice, you'll become even more efficient at finding and reaching out to potential contacts. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting.